What's going on, you guys? Charles here from the Traders Corner, back with another iteration of coding a bot a day till we find the holy grail. Today, I'm adding in the autocorrelation to different, entry ideas that I've coded in Quant Connect to this point. Today, you're actually going to see me do a lot of work with the divergence side of things in terms of adding autocorrelation to that. I was really just interested. I didn't really think it would work just because the type of divergence I have set up is very much, almost reversal divergence. And that being said, adding in that autocorrelation, because I'll say this, adding in the autocorrelation definitely didn't add to the Sharpe ratio for the divergence. But I think the reason for that is because, adding in that autocorrelation and seeing times when prices were very strongly correlated or we were in a very strong trend, that likely meant that we had a bit of divergence while in strong trend, and then we didn't get, enough of a move from that divergent area to take us into profit, right? And I think that's why maybe it didn't really work with the divergent strategy. But that being said, we'll see, and I'm going to also keep trying with some different ideas for the rest of the day in terms of different entry ideas that are more, in line with trend following ideas. And I might even try a bit of a trending divergence idea in terms of adding autocorrelation to that as well. But we'll see what happens today. I'm trying a few different ones as it is. That's the goal for the day. And I also worked on a few other things just in terms of trying to improve one of the divergence strategies that I have currently out right now. I'm trying to get a better understanding of every single place it's taking its entry, and kind of the differences in the data that may be coming through from TradingView and that Quant Connect, the platform that I'm using here, might be getting, and seeing kind of how they stack up, and just making sure that even if the data is different, it's still doing the right thing based on the data that it's getting, right? So that's basically what I'm doing today. Hope you guys enjoy it, man. Hope it provides some value to you guys, and join us again.